afternoon. Thanks for watching us today. Today, there are doing some videos because the autocar traffic and have from 90 years. Villanueva, our presentation there.
Thank you, During Kennedy is an awful and terrible situation. In the street, there is a lot of traffic, people and cars here are on the street. Also, even the police is here to control the situation. And we had been told that there were fights because of the traffic. Therefore, here is a statement of one driver that because his car break down.
I was told about the problem there. Instead of driving without any limits, it should be a limit of velocity of 14. Even we're having some problems with the traffic lights, but we need that the people stay calm, and when we're bringing maintenance to it, we need that the people avoid some problems, car crash or an accident. To try to maintain and not maintain the calm. It is better to stay calm and try to don't avoid problems. Realize the problem, and unfortunately it does not matter, and it can be bad now. I promise you.
It was awful. I was driving to work when surely a car was stopped in front of me. I went trekking, but I lost the control due to the rain. Also, my car was damaged, but luckily no one was injured. Although I'm fine. The accident was really scary. Besides, traffic is getting worse every day. People are rushing, touching their phones, and ignoring the rules. Instead of being carefully, many drivers act that they own the road. More traffic lights should be signed, and people should drive more responsibly. If everyone followed the rules, accidents like this won't be happening. Out of the situation, that is all for today. We will report to you that is occurring in Bogota. It told that are more problems and situations here that we will tell you later.